section 9, number 7. These are all based on rotations. And so I'm just going to be using my rules of rotations here for each one of them. I should have this memorized prior to the test or write it in my notes. All right. So the first one is a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise. So I'm going to grab this one and bring it here because we're going to use that rule. Rotation of 90 degrees counterclockwise, which is the same thing as your 270 clockwise. So I'm going to grab that rule here. And then the last one is a rotation of 180. So we're going to grab the rule there. Right? This just makes your life much easier. So the first one, what is the image of A prime after it has been rotated? So here's the original, that, and the new one is going to be A prime. And it looks like all we are doing is flip-flopping. So it's 6, 2. And the original X is changed. So it was a positive 2. Now it's going to be a negative 2. Same thing here. What is the image? This after it has been transformed with a 90 degrees counterclockwise or 270 clockwise. So it is B prime. We flip flop the X and the Y. So 5 goes first and the Y is -1. The original Y, which was your 5, is now going to be a negative. Okay, so your new point, it is B prime is -5, -1. Okay, here it says what is the pre-image after it has been rotated. So now we actually have to go backwards, okay? So this is go forwards, now we want to go backwards. All right, so we have -3, -10. We want to go backwards. So it looks like we just removed the sign. So it looks like it should just be 310. So C prime here, C, original C, or the pre-image of C is just 3, 10. Okay? Because to go from here to here, we made it a negative. So to go back, we apply the opposite. So now they're positives.